Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Got a super cool video, got something totally different for today's video. This is a product from Wulcea. It's a graphene heated jacket. I've never owned one of these things before. I've always kind of wanted a heated jacket, so I was pretty excited when Wulcea reached out to me to test out the quality of this jacket and just let them and let you know what I thought about it. Right out of the box, you can see it's wrapped in this heavy, thick plastic, which really keeps it packaged really nice and protects it from, you know, any kind of element. Send you this nice little thank you card, and on the back, it's got some really good information on it. Now on that card, it's got like tips like what if it doesn't fit, what to do, what if the battery isn't working, missing accessories, that type of thing. So it's really good information. Here's your instruction manual that comes with it. They also give you this, here's the charger, which is, I'll show you a little bit more detail of that here in a little bit, but this is what the packaging looks like. You pull it out and it's, you know, it's got a nice basic design to it. Nothing too crazy, but, you know, built pretty sturdy. As you can see on the back there, that is a USB connection, so you can charge your phone with this thing, which I found to be really pretty cool, especially if you're in an emergency situation, your phone is dying. I also want to show you this white bag here. This is if you want to wash the jacket, you put it inside that bag and it helps to protect it. Something else I thought was pretty cool on the inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's just getting started, how to plug the battery in, which pocket to put it in, all that good stuff. And then here's the information how to contact them if you do have any issues, along with a phone number. Now, as far as the quality of this jacket, it's kind of like a fleece type material. It's very soft, extremely comfortable. It's really nice to the touch. It's not, you know, a hard canvas jacket. Inside is real soft. Again, very comfortable. There's a pocket here on the outside of the zipper, a small pocket, and then there's the button. There's your power pack goes on the inside pocket inside there. The hood is nice, it's big, it's oversized. Now I did want to point out this jacket in particular has 6 heating zones. You have 1 in each arm, 1 on the neck, a big zone in the back, and then 1 in the front belly region. Now I personally was not familiar with what graphene is, so I did look it up. Graphene is a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a 2-dimensional honeycomb lattice. It is known for its exceptional strength, electrical conductivity, and flexibility. Basically, it's just a super strong material. Now here up next, I want to show you exactly where the battery pack goes in and how it works. So your cord comes out of that little side pocket there. You just plug it in and it's automatically powered. Go ahead, it turns right on. Red is your highest heat, blue is your middle heat, and white is your lowest. So you just kind of play with it, and this is when I first got it, it had 70%, so I did go ahead and charge it before I used it outside for the first time. Just a good habit to have is go ahead and cap it back up when you unplug it, put it back in the pocket, zip it up, and then you're ready to charge your battery pack. This right here is the actual cord that they send with it to charge it up. Next, let's go out in the field. So on Friday nights, I do some high school football broadcasting, and I thought it'd be a good idea to test the jacket out on a Friday night football game. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. Temperature was in the 50s here, but it dropped as the night went on. Just showing you here how I plug it in and get it started. And I'm going to go ahead and start on the lighter setting. I went to the white setting, which is the lightest.
Back and score. Karen Witt gets the ball first, coming out of bounds.
Yeah. You know, some of these Friday night football games can get pretty cold here late in the season. So I was really excited that Wulcea reached out to me to test this jacket out because, like I said before, I've never had one. And this thing was really, really cool. Really enjoyed using it, and it warmed me up pretty good that night. I also wanted to point out, when I started this night, it was on 100%. By the end of the night, it only used 10%. So I wanted to finish the video showing off the jacket with me talking to the camera. And as you can see, this thing fits me really good. I am a big guy. This is a 3X size, so it is plenty big enough. I feel like there's room in there to move around. See these things on the side here? You can tighten up the side here. So you got that. You can zip it all the way up on a really cold night, just like that. You can zip that back down. Right now, I've got it on high. It's got a lot of zippers. You got zippers here in the arms, both sides, zipper here, You got your hand zippers here. Very, very comfortable. The outside, like I said, it's like a fleece, but it's a very nice material and it feels really good and real cozy. Again, like I said earlier, I've never had a heated jacket like this, so I'm really excited that Wulcea reached out to me. I do a lot of outdoors in wintertime. I do, you know, hunt, I fish, I do the football broadcast games, so I'm outside a lot, and to have something like this is a huge asset. This part of Texas, we get temperatures below freezing at times in wintertime, so this thing is going to come in real handy. So again, in closing, I just want to thank Wulcea for sending me this product. I'm extremely happy with it. It's lightweight. The battery pack is not heavy. I know some people talk about how heavy the battery pack is. This is a piece of cake. It also, don't forget, is a backup phone charger if you need it. You don't want to run at the same time, so you either use it as a heater or you can use it to charge your phone. If you have any questions or comments on this product, please reach out to me. Let me know. I'm really good at answering questions, and I will put a link in the description to where you can find this jacket, the different colors they offer, and the different models that they might have. So thanks again for watching another video, and stay tuned for the next one.